Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone K12x. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.2% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi. Pixel density, 2100 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup. On the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel wide-angle front camera located in punch hole, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cryo 660 Gold plus 1.7 GHz hexa-core Cryo 660 Silver, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 75.6 by 8.1 mm, and it weighs around 191 grams, and the color options gray, light green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5500 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth, GPS L1, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO K12x has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,299 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 1,799 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO K12x smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.